Today is 23rd of March. We also call it a Shahid Divas. On this day, in 1931, Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, and Rajguru were hanged. Now, a lot of people don't know, but this person has also been my hero since I was very young. And this book is a prime example of why he is so respected, irrespective of your political ideologies. In this book, Why I Am an Atheist, he starts by questioning himself. He says, is it due to the vanity that I don't believe in the existence of the omnipotent, omnipresent, and omniscient God? He questions himself and says that, have I started to believe that I am above God, and that is why I don't believe in God? And that is why I am an atheist. After that, he presents his side of the story argument on why he is an atheist. Now, you can agree or disagree with his arguments, but the point is that he is so self aware, irrespective of the status that he had during that time, he is questioning himself कि भाई कहीं ये मेरा अहंकार तो नहीं जिस वजह से मैं भगवान में नहीं मानता. भाई कहाँ मिलते हैं ऐसे लोग? नहीं मिलते हैं. Although there is one point in this book that I don't agree on. He says that if God is present, why is there so much suffering? Why is there so much exploitation? And why is God silent? My point of view is that if there is God, remember he is beyond our human boundaries of right and wrong. If God also starts to have human emotions like sadness and he starts or anger, and if he starts like questioning thing, judging thing on right and wrong, then he's not God. He's just a human being. You see, you can actually disagree even with your hero's point of view. But एक चीज जो वो हमेशा कहते थे, याद रखना, कभी कभी बहरों को सुनाने के लिए धमाके की जरूरत पड़ती है. अभी धमाका करने के लिए हर बार गोला बारूद की जरूरत नहीं होती है. It can be as small as writing that email that nobody dares to write. It can be calling out that one person you know, after calling that person you might get in trouble and people will not like you. You will still call that person. उसी को आज के समय का धमाका कहते हैं. Because he also says that they can kill me, but they cannot kill my ideas. They can crush my body, but they will never be able to crush my spirit. इनकलाब जिंदाबाद.